So today we are at the park, and this is like a nice area that you can walk, because like yesterday we walked at the mall, and then today we're gonna walk at the park because the weather is not so hot, right? Yeah. So we're going to do I don't know how long this walk is, but it's very quiet. Sometimes we see deers, so maybe today we'll see deers. I don't know. What other animals have we seen? Like squirrels? Yeah, we saw squirrels. And Tolani, what other animals did we see? What? Goose? Deer. Yeah, we saw deers and stuff. And Grandma is with us, and she is going to walk also with us. We're going to try not to run today because sometimes we'll walk and then we'll run, but today we're gonna take it easy. And the birds are out and it's a beautiful day.
Rare to get a place like this.
Like a park area? They don't. Do they have park area in Ibadan and all that stuff?
Yeah, they have park.
It's not as spacious
It's
as
not
this.
park.
Oh, okay.
You can see this one now. Hectares of land.
Yes. And I like how they keep the greenery that they do. You know, like a lot of times they'll cut stuff and they'll start building houses. But see, there are landmarks as we go. You can see, because this area is a nature park. So as you go, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So Tolani, look at that landmark over there. Right over here. So you can stop here
to read.
So you can read about it.
Sweet gum. Liquid.
Oh, that's the scientific reason.
That's the tree.
Okay.
Is this tree? This tree right here. Yeah, is this tree, because you can see the leaves. You see the leaves? Yeah, and Grandma did a lot of agriculture, right? Your field was in agriculture. and then we'll do, so they talk about this, a forest tree.
Growing forest tree characterized by 5 lobed.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 lobed.
And then children used to chew it. Tolani, you want to chew? Come. You want to chew the leaves? If you chew, it's like gum. It's sweet. It's gum. Come and get gum. Come and get gum. So the last time when we recorded Eniola's hairstyle, we did a photo shoot in this park. This is a really nice park because it has a lot of greenery. And the people that maintain this place, they take care of this place really, really well. I mean, so you can see some of them, they're coming right now. So, yeah. So they take care of it. Good morning. You had your school field trip here? So Tolani should be able to tell us about things. So we saw another, so this is another plant.
Another plant.
And Tolani, what's this one called?
The American Ulmus americana is a delicacies tree that frequently grows in wetland areas.
Okay, so this is the tree.
This fast-growing tree can grow over 100 feet tall and live over 300 years. The trees are...
Yeah, let's take a picture with this tree. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful tree. Wow. Tree.
Look at the roots.
Oh my gosh, the root is amazing. Look at the structure of the root.
America.
You're not allowed to what?
Hey.
You're not allowed to do what?
Maybe this is...
Oh, you can't bring any wood thing to America. I think you can't bring any fruits and stuff to America just because you don't know if
because some
organisms are living in it, or if anything. I think that's the reason. I could be wrong. I think there's a reason why they don't allow that.
Mommy,
because what if you bring something that will make to the ecosystem?
Do you know
of
why
America?
trees can...
America has their own ecosystem. Nigeria has their own ecosystem. So if you bring a plant or an animal or something,
like that,
you're not allowed. You're not allowed.
Yeah, if a tree is blocking the sunlight, the tree will curve towards the sun. Oh yeah, yeah. It's called
Yeah, you could adopt a trail. What this one means is that, so this trail here, this school here and this organization here, they take care of it. So mileage to show how far we've walked. So
Okay.
so squirrels are bushmeat. So this is, see how far we've come. It's a long distance. Yeah. So over here there is
Okay, there was lots of water there.
yeah, there was a lot of water, but now yeah, see that, yeah. So they have a nature area, nature center. We don't know if it's opened yet, but we'll check it out. Different animals you can find at the park.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is the cardinal. And different. Oh, this one I've not seen. Have you seen this one before? I've not seen that one before. I've seen this one.
Oh yeah,
And hummingbird. Yeah, those little ones. And yeah. Well, we've seen the black one, of course. So this one you can touch them and feel. Either you like turtles. Yeah, you can touch and feel. That's an alligator skull. Oh, me look. It's snakes. Burmese python. So this is a python. Look how big it is. Wow. That's a huge one. Yeah, all the snakes are alive. That's different. Oh, look at this. Is this a rattlesnake? I think there's a rattlesnake.
If they're alive, why aren't they like blinking?
Yeah, there's a snake there.
If they're alive, why aren't they blinking?
Well, because they're sleeping.
Oh, they sleep with their eyes open?
Yeah. Tolani, sit down there. It won't get you. It won't get you.
I said scared of snake. I actually wanted a corn snake.
Oh, okay.
She wants snake as a pet.
This is a cute snake. Look at the head. Oh, look at the head. It has a funny head.
They sleep with their eyes open. That's kind of... Not that one though. Its eyes are closed.
See the owl? Oh, this is so cute. Oh.